I went ahead and pulled the cap and rotor off. That's what it's looking like. A little bit of blue on here. It'll focus, you fuck. We've seen worse. We're going to go ahead and clean. We're kind of melted, pushed down, and pinched underneath this cap.